Right, so go to that time. It worked that time. I think it was because when the last video I pressed enter twice or enter 3 times or whatever I done. But then when I done it this time and I reset it and I put it on the first line, it worked. Congrats. So basically, you put it on the first line, which I was showing you, but it wouldn't work for me. But just reset it, but it doesn't work. Congratulations, your code passes. Submit your code to continue. One more thing, you should allow people to use their native language. Tell the browser to encode multiple languages by adding a meta element as a child of the head element. So it's char set attribute to UTF-8. So in the head element, we need char set equals UTF. I think that's how you do it, I'm not sure. You should create a meta element within the head element. Char set. I'm going to come back to that. I don't know. I'll come back to it later. Or we could actually. Tell you what, we'll go to W3 Schools. Char set G. That's how you do it. So we can just actually copy and paste that. Control C. So we're nowhere near it. So you need to a meta char set. I thought it was just char set. Doesn't it say it is meta? You don't know how to do that. So meta space char set equals UTF-8 inverted commas and a greater than sign. Hey, yabba dabba doo. Yabba dabba doo. Moving on. Well, hey, yabba dabba doo. I've got to the end of it. Here's a preview of what you will build, a camper cafe. This is the next one. So that was a cat photo app. Now you're going to start coding the camper cat. Right. As you've learned in the last few steps of the cat photo app, there's a basic structure needed to start building your web page. Add the doc type HTML and the language attribute. So, again, it's less than doc type HTML and add what? Oh, we need an open HTML and a closing HTML. And then what we'll do is we'll put language equals vertical comma ENG. Or is it EN? Yabba dabba doo! Add a head element with HTML element so you can add a title element and text should be cafe menu. Right, so we add a head element with a closing head element, and inside the head element we need a title tag and a closing title tag, and the title is cafe menu. Cafe menu. Yabba dabba doo. I love to see that. Congratulations, your test passed, whatever. The title is one of several elements that provide extra information not visible on the web page, but it's useful for search engines or how the page gets displayed. Inside the head element, nest a meta element with the attribute named char set to UTF-8 to tell the browser how to encode characters for the page. Note that the meta elements are self-closing. So inside the head tag, we'll have that again. Yabba dabba doo. So it's a meta char set equals UTF-8. Now, to prepare to create some actual content, add a body element. Add a body element under the head element. So it's a body tag